Hello my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to write your alphabetical letters in sequence using Microsoft Excel. So first things to know, to write alphabetical letters, that means they start from A to Z. So when you count from A to Z, those are 26 letters. So you need to know another thing. There is something called ACCI, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So normally these are characters which are coded for digital letters or numbers. So the computer understands some characters. So for instance, in our case, when you type 65, the computer knows this is a capital A. Same applies when you type small a, which is 97. So to do this, you need to now imagine in your brain that a computer gets a number, but it should display later as a later. So let's give it a try. So using sequencing, as I showed you here, sequencing, then it gives you the rows. How many rows? Because you know there are 26, letters, so 26 rows. Column, just one column. I want the letters to be arranged vertically. Then to start, because I want capital letters, I start at 65. So I close the bracket. So when I press enter, that means 65 to 90. When you count, these are almost 26 number inclusive. So I want to change now to capital letters. So what I require to do is just introduce car or character. So because these are numbers, they're punching, so just write character here in front, then close the bracket, then close the bracket because there are two brackets. So enter. I've changed all the letters into caps. So in order to change to lowercase, that means it needs to start from 97. So you just come back again here, equal sign. I'm repeating the same, but now we start with 97. So rows, obviously 26 because I typed them vertically. One column. This column I just need to be typed in one column. Then to start now at 97. So close the bracket. So enter, you see 97 to 100. So in the computer, automatically when you convert this into character, that they'll type from A to Z, but in small letters. So when I go back to my formula here now, I just write the word car, which is character, then close the bracket here because of two brackets to observe the syntax. Then voila, just like that. I've showed you how to write alphabetical letters in sequence using our beautiful Microsoft Excel. Obrigado.